He wrote plays. He wrote satires. He told me a story once that he had written a satire in Yiddish about Hitler. And one of the things that he did was he had made masks, and the masks were of Hitler, Goebbels, other prominent figures. Before the play was allowed to proceed, he had to hand it in to the Japanese censors. But what he did, obviously they didn't read Yiddish, he translated it into English. But the English version was a comedy, had nothing to do with Hitler, and it passed the censors. But the actors, when they saw the script, said, you can't ask us to perform this play. We're going to be arrested. And my father said to them, don't worry about it. The censors said it was okay. And that night at the theater, the audience already knew that this was going to be a satire about Germany, and they were wondering, what was going to happen, because at the rear of the theater were some Japanese soldiers who had to watch what was going on. But the Japanese soldiers did not understand Yiddish, and they looked at the stage and they saw people wearing masks, and the audience was laughing, so they laughed too. And my father said the play was a huge success.